things on it. That
D459, move tables up against wall, lower camera and monitor down. Take 4 of these chairs, put it in Ken Douglas's office, backfill the chairs with consistent chairs. Furniture is going to move from A10, which is this desk and that table and the cabinet, over to D401. So this furniture is going to come out and go into different locations that we'll talk about later in the video, but the furniture I showed at the last room will fit in here the exact way that it was in the same orientation. Ken wants 4 steel chairs in here, plus his office chair. So as far as the furniture that's in D401, this is either going to go into Aaron Lackey's office, but we'll take some manipulation. That would not include the round table, but would include everything else. But as far as Aaron Lackey's office, which is D480, National Business Furniture with the left-hand configuration, meaning on that side.
Yep.
Okay.
And then probably not
A small
that big,
work table
the
with
bookcase there, but
steel
I saw like
tables.
some small-
Bookshelf placed into the corner there for additional storage.
You want that back?
D479, Jessica Racco. We are going to see if we can find different office furniture to pull in here that's more conducive to the column and the windows. If not, we're gonna make sure the desk is up against the wall, and potentially see if anyone has any solutions-minded things to reconfigure the filing cabinet in the corner, so there's a little more space on the end
To be able to put a table in.
to add a table in.
Outlet somewhere else?
D478, nothing to occur, has a bulletin board, the biggest one ever, and a whiteboard. Dan Cinco, open space by window. The cubicle desk only and without panels on the right, leave storage cabinet, need solution to prop the desk open because we don't have a leg for the work surface. Says use either a filing cabinet or we'll come up with a leg idea. Install whiteboard, bulletin board, and remove paper towel dispenser from wall.
All set.
D475, Mauricio, all good unless he puts any requests in the request form chat. Same thing with D474, which is Drew Chamberlain. D460, future position operations. Everything is coming out of here. The furniture from Heather Holiday, which
Delta
is D401,
401.
will move into here. The configuration will have the desk on the left with the U facing us. If there's room, we'll add in a table, which is already in here, and then 2 matching chairs. If needed, the storage cabinets are going to have to come off the wall and can be relocated somewhere else to someone that can use them. This room needs a whiteboard. The bulletin board can remain in its current location. All right, so for both D458 and D457, these are future offices. So they'll need to be taken from conference rooms and everything removed from them, and then have managers' furniture put in. This one, the data's on the right, so the desk will be on the right. It needs a bulletin board and whiteboard and manager's table and chairs. On this side, the data's on the left, so all of the same things that I just mentioned will need to be installed on here. We're going to want to look at what other rooms, conference rooms we're going to have here before taking these desks too far, because we'll probably just be able to relocate them nearby. D456, future purchasing storage area. The racking is staying in here except for these 2 sections that need to be dismantled, and this product should be removed soon by the assorting team. D455, store project storage, will receive 2 racks. Aaron, is there a certain wall you want them on, or does it not matter?
Maybe just that wall?
Okay. Placed on this long wall. And that is it for there. Any open bookshelves along the cube walls distribute between all of these storage spaces, discluding. Do you want one in the purchasing one? Discluding the purchasing room, storage room.
There's,
D
yeah, so I guess. it's-
D454. D454 and D453 set up as conference rooms. The Ohio business furniture desks that are in the one office down there that are coming out can come into here. Eventually, we'll get whiteboards and Bolton's boards in there, but they're not priority for now. For D452, we need to figure out the office setup in here. These are for future offices. The data line is in a very unique place, so we'll have to figure out the layout of where these go. Probably a U this way, credenza bridge and front desk facing the door. And then on
Would you rather have people in chairs?
this one, D451. This one's really unique. Probably a U going this way, and we're gonna need some Ethernet cables because of the odd location of the so credenza bridge desk and then round table off here in the corner. All right, we're furniture shopping for some of the desks that we were looking at before. So in A142, this will be Jessica Racco. So you have to watch the prior part of this video, but basically what we're going for is just an L made of this and that, and likely not using the bridge. Unless we can come up with a unique way to find the bridge on the other side of the column. That will free up room for a round table and 2 managers' chairs. For Aaron Lackey's office, which will be the same type of thought process. If I can figure out where it was, and it's not in here. Is using the National Business Furniture option. Same thing with an L, which was right here. So creating an L out of the 2 longer pieces in the same corner we showed in the video. Likely using the other piece over there to the left as part of the configuration in the room if it will fit. If not, we may not be able to use that, but basically just use the National Business Furniture to try to emulate something good within the room.